Hey, what up, people? How you doing? It's your boy Jay Ezo, the Pro Boxer, baby. It's another beautiful morning here, Friday morning in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Exercises to do at indoor to work out so we can burn the fat and build muscle and burn high intensive metabolism. So stay tuned and follow me. Okay. Exercise that I'm going to do is going to be stationary running with the dumbbells. So it's like running on the mountain on the station with the dumbbell. These are 20 pounds each, so that is like 40 pounds that I'm going to be running with right now.